Proscra official.
Yo, what's up YouTube? My name is Proscra. Yeah, so today we're back on it with another video. As you can see the photo in front of us, we're going to give this baby Mika, that's the name by the way, we're going to be giving him a nice background. So not to waste so much time, let's get straight to it. Let's select our background. I come to my backgrounds here, so let's look for which background can be nice. Yeah, I think this can work for me. Yeah, but it's kinda looking of quality, so let's pick another one. Let's try this. So Ctrl A, Ctrl X, Ctrl V. Remember to press shift on your keyboard before you zoom, then zoom it bigger, then select the first layer, which is the background, put it behind the photo. As you can see, it's already starting to come, but it still doesn't look so official. So now try to balance where exactly you want it to be. Keep zooming if it needs you to zoom. So I think here would work for me. So come here to crop and try to reveal more of the background, then press shift on your keyboard and zoom as you see I've done. So as I am seeing, I don't want the leg of the chair to be seen, so I'm going to zoom here too. Then yeah, this is what we want. So now if you feel like this background can't work for this, select another one. It's just a matter of trying which background can work. Let's try this out. Ctrl A, Ctrl V. Remember to hold shift while you're zooming so that you don't lose the shape of the background. Put the background behind, as you can see. Now zoom some more, because since the chair we have cut, we don't need it there. Zoom it some more. As you can see, it's about to start looking fine. Now the baby is looking like the chair was bent, so what we're going to do, we're going to try to balance it. So this looks fine. Now reduce it so that we can have the shape, mostly because we're trying to focus on the baby, not the background. So make it look, zoom it until we can maybe be focusing on the background, the baby only, not the background. So as you can see, this is fine. Now the next thing we're going to do, you can see after we rotated the photo, it left some space. So this space, what you have to do with it, come to lasso tool and try to draw something like you are going to finish, like in case the way you think the shape of the chair might be, draw it, make it pass up from here. Then after selecting, right click and come to fill. Then after filling, don't leave it on white, change it and put on content aware, so I can sell. Then you press OK. As you can see, it has saved the missing place. So now what we're going to do next is we're going to blur the background. To select the blur background, come to tilt shift. This time we're going to make it be on sides like this. Add it to around 20. Then try to blur the background according to the way you see the photo is looking. So Photoshop is just according to the way you see it looking nice. According to the way you want it is the way you do it. Once you already know all these basics, it will be so easy for you. You won't even need to, you won't even delay on it. So I feel like this will be okay. And you press OK. After, select the photo itself, then come to Irish blur. On Irish blur, reduce it down, then add this up. Keep playing with the size, because we need to blur the sides, not everything. As you can see, to make the baby to enter in the background, to be together with the background. So I think reduce it a bit. It shouldn't be too much this time. Then press OK. As you can see now on the sides, it has entered inside the background. So let's try to reduce the color. Come to camera raw filter, then add the contrast, reduce the blacks, and press OK. As you can see, before it's like this, then after it's like this. Now you can see the baby is kind of matching in the background. So what the last thing we're going to do, select the background and the pick, then press Ctrl J not to mess it up, then press Ctrl E to merge them together. So now you can come to camera raw filter. We're seeing it's kind of looking too white in some way, so we're going to make it kind of sharp with the background together. So as you can see, this is nice. Reduce the blacks, add the contrast a bit to 26, black to 18. And it's according to the photo, that it's according to how you're seeing it going. Some photos you may not need to add too much like this. Then press OK. Then yeah, we have a nice looking baby Mika on the background. So thank you for watching. That's how you add your background. See you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment in case you like it. Comment on what you want me to make next too, the tutorial you want to see like this. So see you on the next one. Yeah.